Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another 3-part series using one eyeshadow palette, and today I'm going to be using the Klara Cosmetics 24 eyeshadow palette, and it's called Malibu. This just dropped, and seriously, the colors in this are absolutely stunning. Klara Cosmetics was nice enough to send me this palette to test out for you guys, and I also have a discount code down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this palette, and let's get into the video. So to start off the look, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and I'm going to be using this as a transition shade. The reason I'm going in with a slightly more vibrant color is just because when you're doing a smoky eye, you really need that base transition to really stand out. So I love this color and it's perfect for that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this darker brown. This is the darkest brown in the palette, and I'm going to take a slightly more defined brush and run that through the crease, but just a little bit higher than I normally would. And then I'm just going to take a really big fluffy brush and blend that all together because you don't want any harsh lines when you're doing a smoky eye. Then, of course, I am taking this black. A lot of palettes do not actually have blacks in them, so it's really good when you find one with it. So I'm just packing this in to the crease, but closer to the lid, because you want to really blend it upwards, and you don't want to put too much black down, otherwise it's going to look like you got punched in the face. So then I'm just going to go back in with that really big fluffy brush and just blend that all together. This is literally the most time consuming part of doing a smoky eye, is just consistently blending it out till you are happy with how it looks. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take some concealer and just carve out the crease. You really don't have to use concealer for this, but I just like doing it as a base because I feel like the color sticks down a lot easier and it's just kind of a guide. So the color I'm taking is this really vibrant blue. I love the shade. I really didn't think I would lean towards it, but I think it is just so nice and vibrant, and it looks awesome in a smoky eye. Then, without taking any extra black, I'm just going to use the same brush we used for the black and just kind of dust this on the edge of where the blue is, just to kind of make it a gradient and so there's no harsh lines. Then, taking my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner pen in black, I'm just going to be drawing quite a thick line on top of my lash line. So I am going to go in with some falsies. So first I'm just going to coat my upper lashes with some mascara, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop some falsies on. Then we're just going to go ahead and finish the lower lash line, and I'm just going to take that first transition shade and run that under my lower lash line and just pop some mascara. And then that is it for this look. I really love the way this turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!